Hello friends, welcome to our new video series Employment News for Mechanical Engineer. In this video series, we will intimate all new job offers from government sector and private sector. We are also providing openings in apprenticeship or internship training and research fellow openings also. Please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World for the upcoming videos. First, we will start with the government jobs. First job is Assistant Commandant Group A in the Central Armed Police Forces CAPF. It's not a technical job, but this job is ideal for all degree holders who wish to work in defense field. Central Armed Police Force CAPF is the common name of the security forces like Border Security Force BSF, Central Reserve Police Force CRPF, Central Industrial Security Force CISF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP and Shastra Seema Bal SSB. It is under the Ministry of Home Affairs. CAPF Assistant Commander is the rank that is same that of Captain in Indian Army or Lieutenant in Indian Navy or Flight Lieutenant in Air Force. Salary for the job is basic pay is 56,100 to 1,77,500 in pay band 3 plus other allowances. Total posts are in BSF 78 posts are there, CRPF 13, CISF 69, ITBP 27, SSB 22. Total 209 posts are available. Last date for submission application is 7th September 2020. You can apply through online through the UPSC website shown in video. I will provide this website on description also. Other details. Possession of NCC B or C certificate will be a desirable qualification. This qualification will be given consideration at the time of interview or personality test only. Age, physical standards, etc. Details are provided in the UPSC website. Please go through the website before applying. Next one is Engineer Production at MSME Technology Center, Bangalore. MSME Technology Center, Bangalore is being set up at Bangalore. The Technology Center is a Government of India society registered under Societies Regulation Act and its function as an autonomous body under Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises. Salary for this job is provided as 35,400 to 1,12,400 at a level 6 grade. Last date for submission of application is 20th September 2020. Application format is available at the website shown in video. I will provide this website on description also. Other details. If you have experience in this field, you can apply for the post of Senior Engineer Design Mechanical, Manager Marketing, Manager Testing and Senior Manager Training, etc. also. Please go to the advertisement in website provided on the description. Next is Trainee Engineer Mechanical at NHPC Faridabad. NHPC Limited is a premier Schedule A Mini Ratna company of Government of India with 7,071 megawatt installed capacity. NHPC is involved in the construction and operation of hydro, solar and wind power plants across the country, especially in the regions of Himalayas. NHPC, the biggest hydropower company in India and the leader in design, construction and operation of hydro plants, offering exciting opportunities and challenges to learn and grow. So pay scale of NHPC is 50,000 to 1,60,000 at the E2 grade plus other allowances. There are 21 vacancies for NHPC. Last date for submission of application is 28th September 2020. Only candidates have registered with the GATE 2020 with valid GATE registration number can register online in NHPC website. Website is provided on the description also. Fill the online application form with the relevant details and submit. Next is Trainee Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bharat Electronics Limited. Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence, requires the above said post personnel on contract basis for its Hyderabad unit. It's a contract job, and the pay scale for first 3 years is 25,000, 28,000, and 31,000. 11 vacancies are there. 1 year experience required for applying this post. Last date for submission of application is 15th September. Applications are Applicants are advised to go through the website belindia.in. And in same company, one more opportunities are there. Project engineer 1. In project engineer 1, 4-year contract job is there. For the first year they will give you 35,000, then next year 40,000, 45,000, and 50,000 is given. Number of vacancies are 5. Experience required is 2 year, and last date for application is 15th September itself. Next is private sector jobs. First private sector job is graduate engineer training at Gastron Engineering Private Limited. Gastron Engineering Private Limited promises the different PSA nitrogen gas generator that suits different applications with a guarantee or providing the best purity. Gastron Engineering Private Limited is involved in design, manufacturing, exporting nitrogen gas generator. For our upcoming project needs graduate engineering trainees for managing project related documents, attending and reporting clients or users for review meeting, generating various construction reports and analysis for the client, digitalization of data reports, importing of client data, making presentation to client, etc. You can apply through the website given in the screen and description. Next is apprenticeship training. Apprenticeship training is the base for most of the jobs available in India. First, apprenticeship training is in category 1 graduate apprentice at Cochin Shipyards Limited CSL. Cochin Shipyard Limited is a listed premier mini Ratna company of Government of India. Invites online application from eligible graduate holders in mechanical engineering for undergoing 1-year apprenticeship training under Apprenticeship Amendment Act 1973. Throughout the apprenticeship, monthly they will provide 12,000 rupees as a stipend. Last date for submission of application is 8th September 2020. How to apply? Candidates are first required to register the web portal of NATS, National Apprenticeship Training Scheme, using the link given below for enrollment or registration as apprentice. After completing enrollment registration as apprentices, the candidates have to apply online through NATS portal against seats notified by CSL. ID number of CSL in NATS portal is SKLERC 000007. For more details, please visit Cochin Shipyard website provided on the screen. I will provide it in description also. Next is graduate apprentice at Brahmaputra Crackers and Polymers Limited BCPL. BCPL is a central public sector enterprise. CPSE is a joint venture of GAIL India Limited, Oil India Limited, Numaligarh Refineries Limited and Government of Assam. BCPL is going to engage apprentices for the year 2020-21 under Apprenticeship Act 1961. The engagement will be done among the registered candidates available in the NATS portal based on the merit as per the terms and conditions of NATS. Last date for submission application is 15th September. There are 76 vacancies for apprentices. Interested candidates may register themselves in NATS portal given in the screen. Next is Research Fellows. Junior Research Fellow at DRDO Hyderabad. Defense Electronics Research Laboratory DLRL Hyderabad is one of the premier research laboratories of DRDO. Is engaged in research and development of electronic systems for Indian Armed Forces. DLRL invites application from young and meritorious Indian nationals who desire to pursue defense related research as Junior Research Fellow. JRF will receive stipend of 31,000 plus HRA as per DRDO rules. There are 3 vacancies for this post. Last date for submission is 10th September. Initially, the offer for a period of 2 years, which may be extendable for further 2 years subject to internal screening committee recommendations. Eligible candidates may send their duly completed applications as per format, which can be downloaded from What's New section of DRDO website provided on the screen and description. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon for timely getting the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.